The new dice have arrived. The new dice have arrived literally as we are packing for Canberra. It's going to be so good. So, okay, so we're going to need to rebag everything. Oh, my Friday's going to suck. Obnoxiously large bone-sized dice. Oh, yes! This is exactly what I've been hoping for! Dude! Okay, so you know the dice goblins, yeah? You know the dice goblins. We have goblin-filled dice. How sick is that? I know you don't like up, but you can respond if you want. Okay, so the rest of that is just more of the obnoxiously gigantic dice. Ooh. What else we got? Oh, so much rebagging to do. Little display sleeves, I guess. Cool. Ooh, hello. Oh yeah, that's right. They were going to send us these nice gift boxes. Dice gift sets. We'll figure out something to do with those. What else we got? So, heaps more of the duck-filled dice. These are the nice soft white ones that won't cut you like you owe them bread. And what else we got? Oh, yes! Okay, so everyone knows that we've got like our regular Rainbow Pride dice, but now we got Jelly Pride. You jelly, you jelly. What else we got in here? Those look like glow-in-the-darks. Oh, so many awesome filled dice. We got skulls, we got beach filled. Ow. This is a giant bag full of caltrop dice. You know those metal caltrop dice we get. And got dice full of eyes. Ooh, these are nice and heavy. Yeah, cool. These are more of the deep ones dice. And then just more of the Magicite dice. Sweet. So, it's going to be a dicey situation trying to get everything packed in time for Canberra, but I reckon we can do it LARPerinos, or in this case, tabletoperinos. Tabletoppers. Yeah, it's not as good as LARPerinos, but we'll see you behind a Dungeon Master's screen.
In Canberra.